Kamite ya ithurano IEBC no irathie na mbere na kwihaririria gutabania githurano kinene. Undu wa mbere ni gutigirira aria marenda iturwo ni mehita ati ni makahaimbiria thayo mbere hindi na thutha wa githurano. Anyiti itemi age makiuga ni mehaririirie gutigirira githurano kina waraganu ni giatabanio.
State and non-state actors have their responsibilities carved out. A responsibility to protect individual rights and freedoms of all Kenyans during the electoral process.
But we do support the democratic process and the opportunities it provides. We want to help ensure Kenyans have a free, fair, credible, and peaceful opportunity to choose their own leaders.
We shall be able and try to provide that which is necessary for the success of this exercise.
President Uhuru Kenyatta ari mwena wa Eldoret aroiga ne haririirie gutigirira bururi uyu ni wathie na mbere gutari na wagagu ona thutha wa ithurano gutekumakania uria moimirira ma githurano giki magakorwo.
That commitment to peace and stability is so close to my heart that I will never mortgage it for any false gain. Because without peace and stability, we cannot grow and we cannot prosper.
Nake mutongoria wa mungithaniro Raila Odinga augite no nginyagia makinya maria IEBC irakinyukia mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene monanie umana waraganu agikorwo bururi-ini ugakorwo na ithurano nginyaniru.
Credible elections are about processes. They are about registration of voters, access to polling stations, casting and counting of ballots, and declaration of results. All these processes need to be credible, trustworthy, consultative, and inclusive.
Odinga akiuga no nginyagia IEBC etigirire ni yarutithania wira na mungithaniro. Kamite ya kurwa na ungumania yugete ni ikarutithania wira na kamite ya IEBC gutigirira atongoria aria mathurwo ni aigiririku.
We shall continue to provide all the information requested or which we consider useful to IEBC to determine the integrity and stability of our political aspirants.
IEBC yugete no irathie na mbere gutheria register ya aikia kura thutha wa uthuthuria kuonania ati kwahoteka kuri na aikia kura makiria ma milioni 1 makuite no maritwa mao matieheretio. Thiko 55 nicio itigarite bururi utabanie githurano kinene guku andu matiganite magithie na mbere kwiyuria hihi kamite ya IEBC ehaririirie atia gutabania ithurano ici nayo kamite ino ekerera muingi ati ni haririirie na njira iria yagirire gutigirira ithurano ni ciatabanio na njira nginyaniru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de Nairobi, Jitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.